Action!
Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're going to be opening some Shopkins. 3 of them are free left. I hope we finish this fast. So let's just open it. We say too much stuff in the other videos. You guys know that I already have a lot. Like before I was yelling for more Shopkins, more Shopkins, more Shopkins. But I finally have too much now. And my dad keeps buying me more and more. And the girl who has so much toys. Wait, Carter! Actually bite it. Well, this is so... Seriously! More the same one. I hate this one. I'm just gonna rip it out of my hand.
What's that? We have one before, right?
Now I have 3 of them. What the heck?
Well, we have more than that.
I already have. Again, there's another this one. I already see that's another one of that. You see? I'm so angry.
This thing. Another one. So you ask all the kids, write your message, and you will give them, right?
Oh my God.
Give them away.
We have 3 of each now.
You can have a giveaway, right?
Oh, no, but I can't.
Just ask them to send you a message and you give them
I
away.
can give one to Bia and Maya. I don't want to give one to somebody else. Now I'm all very angry. Why is it the same again? I don't want to show you anymore. You already said one time you have trick. You gotta be kidding me.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a big thumbs up, like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Bye.